Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a product in your Squarespace website. This is your Squarespace dashboard. You know that I'm going to show you how to add the products. Then go to click pages, then here's the products. Then when you click the products, it will go to the product page. It'll show here dummy products, that is have only 3 products. You can add more products or you can edit them. So now click the product. Here's the products. This is one, this one, this one. And you want to copy a product from this site, so I'm showing how to copy from this product. I want to copy bath bombs, so go to click bath bombs and then click the products. Then it will take you the product page. Then copy the product title, then click the product, double click, then here's the title, and then this is the price. You can make the same 49.99 price and values. Then pricing, price, current price. The price is sorry, price is not copy. 49.99, 49.99. Sell price 99.99, 90.99 on sale. Click here. Then stock, you can make a quantity stock or you can make unlimited. Okay, then that's it. You can add a picture. Now you can just open image in new tab, then the image, you can save the image and then upload it on your product item. Let's delete product, confirm. This is the product image, upload it. Okay, then just save. The same as the picture is too high, so you can make the picture compress tinyjpg.com, and then can give the images and here upload. It's of 792 KB and it will be compress more than 500, less than 500. It's not my internet is slow, I think. Okay, I'm canceling this, just save them. Okay, it's up 385 download now, and now you can upload this product in your product page and it will be the good for you. That means the page will be loaded fastest load. So now we can do it again, reload, remove, then upload again. You can add a product description here, product description. If you want to keep the Amazon link, then you can click the link, then just copy and then go paste here. Then paste here. Okay, save now. Okay, let's see how it's look. Click the product. Oh, it's a link. Okay, hold on please. We can make a again edit products. This is the link. You can remove it. You can add a button here. just we can add additional info. Click here, then you can add a button, then buy now. Oh, you want to sell do you want to sell the product like this, or you want to sell the product in your website? If you want to sell the product in your website, then you no need to keep the Amazon link, no need to additional info, just upload the image, then save product, then the customer can buy from your site, this site. Just have to cut. Okay, then I'm going to show you how to add new products. Just go to product page, click products, then add new product, click a physical product, can add this product. The title here, and click title here, and then the images, open image, save image. You can make a folder for the image. Product images, just save them. Okay, I'm adding to more products. Showing you 3 products just. Okay, then edit. Okay, you can add multiple images here at a time. Oh, sorry, this is the image star. They will be, oh, they are already have compressed. Also you can compress, no problem. Download now. Replace this image. Okay, then go to product page, your price, again set up the price. To sell price, you can sell price must be less than the product price. Okay, then can add image here, this one, right? Okay, this one. Now copy this description, just you can give here or additional info here, then save. No, okay, you can go product page now. The products, it's a product page. Here's up the 4 products. You can see the products. I click here, you can add a product. Okay, that's fine. Okay. If you want to show the description in the bottom of the button, add to cart, then you can give the additional info. Just give here. Something like this. You can remove the short description. Okay, I think that's fine. I think you understand everything well, and you can add products now. I'm going to add your books in your website. Yeah. This is trading page content. There are no pages content. You can add book picture. Pictures sample. Okay, 10. Now you can add your book link here. Just by now, this is the button. You can copy your say something, say example, this is your book. Just copy this link and then click here. By now, click the edit and then click the URL external, click paste and then open link, then apply and then save. When you click, by now it will redirect in your Amazon page. You can keep your book image here and then that will be fine. So you can let me know your opinion. What is if you have any problem to understand, you can let me. Okay, then if you want to edit images, blog, and then you can go to the blog page. These are blog, just the blog title same as the product page. Just click here, edit. Then the blog title is the blog description, and option have the blog images in here. Then you can give also share button, share on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Then save. Now you can add new blog same as. Okay, if you have any problem, you can let me know. Thank you.